If you are tight on space or just need an extra spot for guests to crash, it may be time to get a sofa bed. Not only do sofa beds transform your space, but they also provide a perfect combination of comfort and functionality. But with so many sofa beds on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best sofa beds. Whether you're looking for the most stylish or just something practical, I'll have something just for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box down below. But please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Yahi Tech Convertible Sofa Bed. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. You can transform this modern faux leather sofa into a couch, a lounger, and a bed all in one. With simple adjustments, you can switch it into 3 different angles to fit your mood. Whether you're binge watching your favorite show, chilling with friends, or crashing for the night. This futon sofa bed is super sturdy, thanks to its chrome-plated steel legs and engineered wooden frame. It is really easy to use too. Just fold it out and boom, you've got a 140-degree reclined lounger or a comfy bed in seconds. Plus, it comes with 2 throw pillows that are great for extra back or head support. This sofa bed is not just comfy, but also super strong. It can hold up to 772 pounds, which means it's durable and reliable. Plus, it's got removable armrests that make it easy to customize your setup. Need somewhere to place your drinks while you relax? No worries, the built-in cup holders can do the job for you, making this sofa even more convenient. Its sleek look adds a modern vibe for any room. Whether it's for your living room, dorm, or guest room, it's perfect for small spaces. And the folding daybed feature means your guests will always have a comfy place to sleep. And since this sofa bed is wrapped in faux leather, it's water and oil resistant. A quick wipe with a damp cloth and some mild cleaner, and it's good as new. Overall, the Yahi Tech Convertible Sofa Bed is stylish, practical, and super versatile. It's everything you want in a couch and even more. Number 5 is the Van Axe Sleeper Sofa. This is the best pull-out sofa bed on our list. It's perfect for anyone who needs extra space but doesn't want to sacrifice style. This 2-in-1 couch easily converts into a comfy bed, so it's great for when friends crash at your place. It features a built-in storage chaise that's great for hiding blankets, pillows, or anything else you want to keep out of sight but still have nearby. The sofa is covered in a soft chenille fabric, which gives it a cozy, modern vibe that'll fit into any living room. It's the kind of couch you can chill on after school, binge watch your favorite shows, or even do homework. Plus, its cushions are just the right balance between firm and soft, so you won't feel like you're sinking into it. The Van Axe Sleeper Sofa is an excellent multifunctional piece that saves space and offers practical storage. So whether you're tight on space or just want a versatile piece of furniture, this sofa bed is a solid choice. However, it might not be the most comfortable option for users seeking long-term seating comfort or full back support. Number 4 is the Belfin Modular Sectional Sleeper Sofa. This is the best sofa for large spaces on our list. This U-shaped sectional is not just a regular couch. It's also a sleeper sofa that pulls out easily and can transform into a bed whenever you need extra sleeping space for guests. Made from soft velvet fabric, it feels super comfy to relax on, whether you're watching a movie, reading, or just lounging. Plus, it seats up to 7 people, so you'll never run out of room when friends or family come over. And also, it's got this storage automat, so you can use it to store blankets, pillows, or any clutter you want to hide away quickly. What makes this sofa even more unique is that it's modular, meaning you can rearrange the pieces to fit your room the way you like. It's perfect for both big and small spaces and super easy to customize. Overall, if you want a stylish, functional, and space-saving solution for your living room, the Belfin sofa is here to make your living room the ultimate hangout spot. Whether it's a regular day or hosting a sleepover, this couch has got you covered. However, its firmness and shorter back height could be a deal breaker for some. If you're after a functional, stylish addition to your living room and don't mind firmer seating, this could be the right pick for you. And if you want to know more about the latest prices for the sofa beds discussed in this video, be sure to click the links down below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Now let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is the Big C Folding Ottoman Sofa Bed. This sofa bed is best for a single person on our list. This bad boy transforms into 4 different things: an ottoman, a comfy chair, a lounger, and even a bed. Whether you're chilling in your living room, apartment, or office, this convertible chair is the ultimate space saver. Its breathable linen fabric keeps you cool and comfortable, even during long Netflix binges. The adjustable backrest means you can find the perfect angle for lounging or napping. Need a quick space for guests to crash? No worries, just fold it out into a bed in seconds. It's easy to set up and no assembly is needed at all. Just unpack it and you are good to go. Its strong iron frame can hold up to 550 pounds. Its sleek design fits in with any room decor. Also, it's not too bulky, so it won't take over your space, but it's sturdy enough to give you a good night's sleep. The folding ottoman is perfect for anyone living in a small space or looking to get the most out of their furniture. So whether you're working, resting, or hosting, this multi-function sofa bed does the job for you. Overall, the Big C Folding Ottoman Sofa Bed is a great option if you need versatility in a small space. However, the folding mechanism and adjustable backrest may experience wear and tear over time. Number 2 is the Max Yo-Yo Beanbag Folding Sofa Bed. This is the most compact sofa bed on our list. This sofa has got extra thick floor mattresses that can easily fold out into a bed. So whether you're hanging out with friends, watching movies, or need an extra bed for guests, this is the perfect solution. It measures a generous 30 by 95 inches, giving you plenty of room to relax. Plus, the cover is made from a soft, corded fabric that feels amazing against your skin, making it perfect for those cozy nights in. The beanbag bed is packed with soft foam chunks and sturdy base support foam, making it comfy and supportive. This means you can kick back and relax without feeling any pressure points digging in. Plus, the corded fabric cover comes off and can go right in the washing machine, which makes it easy to keep it clean. And also, they come in different sizes too. So whether you're looking for a single-person lounger or a bigger bed for more space, there's definitely a size that will fit your needs. Setting it up is just a breeze. Just unfold it and you're ready to go. So whether you want to sit back and read a book or take a quick nap, this sofa bed has got you covered. The sleek design fits in with any room decor, adding a touch of modern flair. Overall, the Max Yo-Yo Beanbag Bed Folding Sofa Bed is a stylish and functional choice, particularly for small spaces. Its washable cover and comfort features make it a practical option, but potential buyers should be mindful of the sizing and firmness to ensure it meets their needs. Number 1 is the Lindsay Living Convertible Sofa Bed. This is the best overall option on our list. This pull-out sofa bed is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to save space without sacrificing comfort. During the day, it serves as a stylish queen sleeper sofa that fits perfectly in your living room or home office. But when guests come over, it transforms into a cozy bed in no time. It features a memory foam mattress, which gives you and your guests a great night's sleep, and it ensures that everyone wakes up refreshed. Plus, the sturdy solid wood bed frame means this couch can hold up to the weight of friends and family without any worries. And if you're worried about spills or messes, don't be. The covers are removable and washable, so you can keep your sofa looking fresh and clean. Whether you have pets, kids, or just love snacks on the couch, the sleek design not only enhances your home decor, but also provides that extra sleeping space when you need it. It is perfect for small apartments, home offices, or even as a stylish addition to your guest room. While the memory foam mattress is designed for comfort, some users may find it too firm or not supported enough for long-term sleeping. Overall, the Lindsay Living Convertible Sofa Bed is a versatile option for small spaces, combining aesthetics with functionality. It is ideal for guest rooms or home offices, but buyers should be aware of the potential comfort and durability concerns. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your request for the perfect sofa bed much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description box for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.